Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to restart your printer remotely. So to do it, you need to open the control panel of your printer. To do it, just enter your printer IP address on your web browser, then just click Tools and find here Printer Restart. Click Power Cycle and click Power Cycle again. Click Yes and just wait until your printer reboots. Okay, as you can see, printer restart. This printer has successfully restarted. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.